Hi, today on Bigdo Rack I'm gonna show you the unboxing of the Weber Genesis 2 S-310. Stay tuned. Hi, today on this video you're gonna see the unboxing of the Genesis 2 S-310. Stay tuned. Okay, so now here we can see the step-by-step to get this barbecue into place. Okay, let's see, get it out the box, put the trash away, get two people. That's it. I'm gonna be two today. Here's the plug-in part for the cover. Tac tac, and bing bang. There you go. Simple as that. Let's see. Now I've unboxed it. Put all this thing there. There's a lot of stuff in this. I checked it. It was real stainless, and it is. And now stainless. Stainless. Oh, the upper rack is steel. The grate, the grate are made of steel. It's sticking. It's not 100% real stainless steel. Okay. See you in a bit. Okay, so now it's the moment of truth to put this part there on the cart. The cart is done. Take me 15 minutes. Okay, so it's the hardest part, I think. It's to fit this on this. So gonna do this step by step, you know. Okay, so now we're almost done. We only need to put the controller here and the deflector and everything inside. But for the main body, I think it's done. Took me 1 hour. Okay, so now that it is done, I've had the full sheet here because I'm not gonna take the replacement Weber aluminum bowl because it's gonna get expensive for nothing. Just put the aluminum sheet. One thing I want to know if it's my old rotisserie work here. I'm gonna check it. No, it won't fit. This part is supposed to go there and turn on this, but I think I'm gonna go buy the Weber rotisserie because obviously it don't fit there, and yeah, too bad. As you can see, you gotta remove all the door to make space for this big barbecue. Got it. Okay, so now it's the moment of truth. Let's see how much it's gonna take time. Okay, so it's almost 500, 3.5 minutes. Okay, so it takes 7 minutes to get to 500 here. Okay, so it takes 10 minutes to get to 550. Okay, so we just passed 600. We are at 18 minutes.
Hope you liked the video. See you on the next one. Goodbye.